Yes, sir.
I'll be Vanna White on this side. Okay, on your paper, draw a 10 centimeter line like this, which represents the principal axis. And if you were to get a compass and put the point here and the pencil here, you could scribe a circle all the way around. So on this particular drawing, we're going to put C 5 centimeters from the mirror, which this C is called the center of curvature. The halfway point between the mirror and the center of curvature is called F, capital F, which is the focal point. That's where all the rays focus through. That's the focal point, which is halfway between C and mirror. And the distance between F and the mirror is called focal length. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a ray diagram of this pencil, which is on C. It's upright and it's 2.0 centimeters tall. Okay? So on your paper now, children, draw a line from the top parallel to the principal axis till it hits the mirror. And Matthew, what do you think is going to happen to the reflected ray? Where is it going to go? Where is this ray going to go as it leaves?
It's going to go down.
Yeah, but and which place will it go through? F. It'll go through the focal point, which is what focal point means. Not that it matters a whole bunch which one you call which. That's ray 1. When we draw ray diagrams, I'll ask you to draw 2 rays. Ray 1 goes parallel to the principal axis, hits the reflecting surface, and reflects through the focal point out to infinity. That's ray 1. Ray 2 goes from the top of the image through the focal point, hits the mirror. You'll draw that too. It goes from the top through the focal point, hits the mirror. And Colin, what do you think will happen to that reflected ray? Very good. It'll go parallel to the principal axis to infinity. Like so. That is called ray 2. All right? And Akili, where do you think you would find the image on this? In relationship to the reflected rays. Yes, it'd be where the reflected rays intersect. So this is not to scale. If yours was to scale, which you are drawing it to scale, it should be right below the object. So when you draw this out to scale and locate the image where the intersected rays meet. You put the top of the image where they meet and the bottom on the principal axis. In other words, it's flipped as you experienced. Then I want you to measure the height. That is HI. Height of image.
Would it still be 2 centimeters?
Well, it should be, but let's see what it actually is. This is 2. Measure this one. Okay? What was DO to start with, Cameron? What was DO to start with? What was the actual distance? 5 centimeters, because we measured it at 5 centimeters. Now I want you to measure from here to here.
Wait, that line.
This one?
The F.
This one?
Yeah, what is that?
That's the reflected ray 2. Ray 2 comes in through the focal point, reflects, as Colin said, below, parallel to the principal axis, out to infinity. So measure how far it is from there to the bottom of your image. And put that in the blank. Thank you very much.